Hello everyone, welcome back to SCM Hive, the home of simple, fun, and exciting supply chain lessons. Today we are dividing into a topic that confuses almost everyone at first. What's the difference between logistics and supply chain? Now, you might be thinking, isn't that the same thing? Well, you are not alone. A lot of people think logistics and supply chain are interchangeable, but trust me, they are not. And today I am going to explain it in the most fun and easy way possible that everyone can relate to. So, you have been considering a cool new pair of sneakers. Let's say that the latest limited edition kicks that everyone is talking about. You have seen the ad, you have checked out of the reviews, and in a flash, you click buy now on your phone. Now, here is the fun part how these sneakers get from the factory to your doorstep in just a few days. It's not a magic, it's supply chain and logistics in action. But here's the twist while logistics is a huge part of it, it's just one step in the whole process. Let me walk you through this journey and explain why understanding the difference between logistics and supply chain is a game changer for everyone working in this field. Let's start with logistics. Imagine you have got your sneakers packed up and ready to go, but there is still one important question: how do you get them to your door? There is where logistics comes in. Think of logistics like the delivery driver that makes sure your package arrives safely and on time. But it's more than just driving, it includes transportation. Getting those sneakers from the warehouse to your doorstep, whether by truck, airplane, or ship. Warehousing, storing your sneakers in a place where they are safe until they are ready to be sent out. Inventory management, making sure the right sizes, colors, and styles are in stock and ready to go. Order fulfillment, picking up the right sneakers, packing them up, and sending them out to you. In other words, logistics is the process of moving products from point A to point B efficiently. It's all about getting things to the right place at the right time. Think of logistics as the movement of your sneakers. Now let's zoom out and look at the whole system, the supply chain. While logistics is about getting the sneakers from point A to point B, supply chain is the entire process that starts long before your sneakers are shipped out. It's everything from the first idea to the end customer. In the case of sneakers, planning, the brand needs to know how many pairs to make based on demand. Sourcing, they need to find reliable suppliers to provide the material. Manufacturing, the sneakers are produced in factories where all those materials come together. Logistics, this is the part where the sneakers are delivered to you, but as we already know, it's just one part of the supply chain. Returns, and let's not forget that sometimes returns come into play. Maybe you don't like the color or they don't fit, and the supply chain makes sure that process is smooth too. So, supply chain is the entire story from designing the sneakers to delivering them and even handling returns. It's about strategies, systems, and collaborations between suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. And logistics? Logistics is just one piece of that story. That part delivers the product, but it's critical part. Let's break this down one more time so there is no confusion. Focus. Movement of goods in logistics, and in supply chain it's end-to-end process. Scope in logistics includes transportation, warehousing, inventory management, and fulfillment. In supply chain, it includes planning, sourcing, manufacturing, logistics, and returns. Objectives of logistics is getting the right product to the right place on time, and in supply chain, creating a seamless flow of goods to provide value to customers. Part versus whole. In logistics, a part of the larger supplier, and in supply chain, this is the entire system that integrates logistics and other process. Role in logistics, moving products efficiently from point A to point B, and in supply chain, it's coordinating every aspects from production to delivery and beyond. So, in simple terms, logistics is part of the supply chain, but the supply chain is much bigger and includes everything from planning to delivering and even handling returns. I hope this clear up any confusion between logistics and supply chain. Now you won't just hear these terms, you will know exactly what they mean. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe to SCM Hive for more easy to understand supply chain content. In the next video, we will be talking about the essential documents and key terms used in logistics and transportation. It's a must watch if you want to understand the paperwork and terminology behind the scenes. Don't miss it.